Hi guys, today is holiday. Happy holidays. I'm going to show you how to mix tequila drink, okay? Let's go for only 3 tequila drinks. The first one is Matador. Let's go straight to the ingredients. I have my ice here, okay? I have my shaker. I have my lime, of course. Let's put a little bit of lime. Ice goes here. Okay, shake, 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 shake. Happy holidays. Happy holidays. And you grab your tequila. Tequila drink is good for holiday, okay? Go, tequila. Oh, go slow, family chef, please. Go slow. And you have your lime, okay? Guys, you can talk. Today is holiday. Okay? I'm in my family house. They don't want to talk. They're afraid I'm going to destroy my... Oh, look at that. It's juice. Lemon juice. No, this is lime. Of course, this is lime. Okay. 2 limes. Whoops! Another lime goes. Tequila and ice. We are mixing 3 different drinks, okay? Of course. Now we have our pineapple juice, okay? Open your pineapple juice. Go slow. See, today's holiday. At least half cup of it. You have your shaker here, okay? Shaker. This goes to the shaker. Go, family chef. Go, family chef. Today is holiday. Don't be afraid, okay? All right. Then shake, 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 shake. Family chef, back up pet. We'll be out here video. Then you finish. You go. Go to the glass. Oh my God, look at the sound. Jesus Christ, today's holiday. This is Matador tequila drink. Cheers, this is the first one, okay? Hold on for the second one, let's try. Oh my God, it tastes like heaven. Excuse me, oh, heaven don't like drink, okay? It tastes like Garden of Eden. Cheers. Matador tequila drink, first one. Let's start the second one. Okay, now let's go for the tequila second drink, okay? Tequila Sunrise. Oh my God, the name sounds perfect and good, right? Tequila Sunrise. You need your ice. I'm in my family's house, okay? It's a wonderful, beautiful house. You need your ice. All you need is your ice. You just pour tequila. Please drink responsibly, okay? Tequila. Go 2 shots tequila, okay? What you need is your lime. All right, you get your lime, like 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons. It depends how strong you like it. Lime juice goes in. All right, another one. Oh, yes. Then you have your grenadine. Okay, you know grenadine? You go to any store that they sell drinks, any liquor store, ask for grenadine. If you don't know, it's just red stuff. All right.
Where do you know him from?
That's it. Tequila, lime juice, and your grenadine. That's it. That's the second drink. Refresh. Happy holiday.
I've cut it short, yeah.
In Ghana? Oh, here? Wait.
Now this is the last drink we're gonna mix, okay? This holiday is Christmas. If you wanna have a shot of tequila, go ahead. Why not? Last one is Tequila Paloma, alright? So all you need is your ice. Couple of ice, alright? Ice goes here. Then you pour the shot of tequila. Not too much. See, tequila go in. Then you have your grapefruit soda. Alright, grapefruit soda. If you don't have grapefruit soda, you can use ginger ale or any type of Sprite. Goes in. Alright. Then you have your lime. Go with the lime. Okay. Depends how much you like. You can put more lime. Right. Then you garnish with your lime. Look at that. Tequila Paloma. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Drink responsible and enjoy your life. Okay? Familyship. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So we have 3 drinks. Paloma, Matador, Tequila Sunrise. You can make it home. So good. Alright? You want to try 3 of them? Go ahead. Cheers! Merry Christmas. Oh my God. It tastes like heaven. Thank you.